everybody, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the Made to Move Dancer doll, and I'm really excited about this. The only problem is that it was really expensive because only one person was selling it on eBay. Because on Amazon, it has a picture of her. They have her on the back of like every new box. But there was this one, I don't know if it was a lady or this one person, and they found like dolls, and we came to the conclusion that it's probably somebody that works at Mattel, because on Amazon they have a picture of her, but it's temporarily out of stock, which I think that means that probably like a couple of years or something. I don't know. But I'm really excited about this because they finally made a new mold, as in they made her, it doesn't say on here, but it's a new like curvy, Made to Move. So like it's not the normal form. See, like her thighs are a little bit bigger, and she has different hands too, which I'm really excited about. But yeah, let's go. So, online you can tell because I probably won't be able to count them, but there is 22 joints in this doll, and it's because I know that there is other dolls, and this basically means double joints, because like you can see that there's kind of a double joint action thing going on right there. So that's double jointage, and she has really pretty pink hair. It's really pretty. As you can see, she has gray, kind of pink eyes. Well, kind of in the shot, it's pink, but there's gray eyes and gray eyebrows, and then just a pink lipstick. And then there's this shirt. There's this shirt, and it says 59, and I think that most YouTubers know this, or this is just my theory, that 59 means the year that Barbie came out, which was in 1959. So, and then there's these leggings that are supposed to look like jeans, and now you can like really see that they have a new body mold, like completely. Like this is a lot bigger than a normal one. Hang on. Hold up, let me go get another Made to Move doll. I'm only missing one Made to Move, and she is really, really expensive. The one lady that I bought this one from, he was selling, hiker doll, and I do not have that one, and it is because it is $60, which I am not really willing to pay right now. But this one is totally worth it. It's because I saw it and I was like, oh my god, she's beautiful. So I didn't notice. Okay, so her feet are bigger too, which is really cool. And so that means, yeah. So her foot is bigger. And this one, they both have adjustable ankles. All of them do, except for the one that comes with the green horse, which I also do have, except I'm not going to buy 2 sets. I got it for Christmas, so yeah. But they both have, and that one doesn't have it because it's just a field rider, but they have adjustable ankles. She bends at the knee, double jointed. She does too, except a little bit easier because I've had her for quite a while. And then they have moving hands. Whoa. Okay. But see, they have different hand molds. Sorry about this pinky right here. I don't know what's happening. But they do have adjustable right there. Their elbow move, double jointed. They move right here. What do you do with the other leg? We like shoes. They look more professional than other shoes. This is not a very professional video. Sorry, this is a very professional video. So she bends right here, double jointed, her wrists. Not big right now. She moves at the, I guess, armpit or shoulder. I am not very professional at this. She can move her head all around, and she can move at the torso. So that means she can kind of do yoga moves. That was the original thing. The original ones, they can do yoga outfits, no shoes. This one, they're making new ones for the years. The old ones were just yoga. And they were really pretty. They all had different ones. And we just called them like corn top, pea top, and stuff like that. And now we can call them a dancer or a balloon or something. So, and so you can move the torso. You can move with the legs. You can move the thighs. And then she can move her knees, double joint, and her ankles. So that is 22 joints. Because these count as 22 too. At least I think so. Wrists are popping or something, but no, it's just her arms. But I'm really excited about this. Sorry, the boom box that it comes with. And let's take a picture of her. And I have this girl right here. I got her at Toys R Us. And I found it after watching it. Well, and then I saw her on the back of that box. I was like, girl! And then we couldn't find them anywhere until my dad was looking on eBay and he found her. And this was literally the only one that we could find. I mean, I think that lady was selling like a ton of them, but like this was the only